For your safety, make sure you pull down on the shoulder restraint until it locks in.
Edna, keep your eye on Jack Jack.
No problem, darling. And the baby is gone.
Edna?
Dash, go get him!
Head back, face forward, and hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, no lasers, Jack Jack!
Dash, did you get him?
He just disappeared.
The baby has teleported to the next tunnel.
Got it. Hey, sweetie, come to mommy. No, don't go gooey. Oh, Jack Jack.
No, he's gone.
Seriously? Whoa,
He set the tunnel on fire.
Violet, use your force field.
Go get him! No! Jack! Violet!
Just relax, everything's cool.
Now he's multiplying!
That's awesome.
Jack Jack.
Jack!
Jack Jack.
Oh, the little one returns.
Oh, thank goodness.
You are tremendous, darling. You make your Auntie Edna so proud.